Good. Hey, girl. Hey, spider. How you doing? Ooh, girl. Look at all them babies. Mm-mm-mm. Your babies look good, honey. Spider's been enjoying this rain. Has her feeling real good. She's looking real green. She was looking a little more yellow. I'll clean up these little areas here for her so she doesn't have to put too much energy into them. And yeah, clean up her babies a little bit, clean these areas up. Sometimes this happens. You could just literally, just very ever so carefully. I don't usually do it like that, but sometimes I hold my finger against her like that and just pluck a piece off like this, you see, like that. And that way I'm not hurting her and I'm not taking off her babies, but I'm also cleaning around them. And now look how nice and clean the baby is looking now. Awesome. And that's what you want. Nice and clean. And look, you see all of this? New growth, honey. These babies are just doing their thing. Look at this one down here. Excuse me, sir. Sir. He's such a sweetheart. Okay, so anyhow, back to what we were doing. Then there's this sweet potato. This sweet potato had some spider mites in it the other day. And I clipped the leaf that they were clinging to, and she could not be happier. Can you come out? Thank you. She could not be happier. Look at her, hanging down in all her glory. New growth coming on. No sign of any spider mites. Yeah, she's happy. Everyone's happy. This is my vine, and my vine goes quite a ways, as you can see.